Hi guys, I will show you how to earn money in your playing games. First, go to Play Store. Then then fill up X word. Type X word. After you download the X word, open it. Then you'll see the pet of your profile. Then go to X Sprite. Level up your pet. Receive your gems. Go to shop and buy some pet. Buy pet according to your gems. Merge your pet to gain higher gem. Then when you like to earn more builds, go to Xsprite. Then go to rental market to buy some Xsprite. Sometimes the pet doesn't pop up. Try it again and again. Here you see 40% rental 3 days, 20 build coins. That's already a low price build coins. If you want to look the date of your pet when it's expired, go to Sprite, then click your pet. You will see the timer when it's expired. If you want to look on app that you wanna play and earn builds, go to this page. You will see that there are a lot build to earns in playing games. You can earn build by reaching the level character. Like this, I have is X sprite, so it will times 2. If you want to add friends and earn by adding friends, share your invitation code. My invitation code is earners. You'll see in this video. You can customize your invitation code by clicking customize invitation invite code. That's all folks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.